Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we're going to be in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. So if you're arriving by cruise ship, you're in luck. This port is one of the most convenient in the Caribbean, as you can just self-guide. You don't have to get an excursion. You are totally on your own, and you know what? It's okay. I'm going to take you on a walking tour of everything you can do within minutes of the cruise terminal. From historic forts to delicious local eats, street vendors, and unique tours. So let's get exploring. Oh, he makes all the decisions. But as you see, if you decide you want to do an excursion, there are plenty of opportunities. Once you step off the ship and out of the port, you're going to be offered different types of tours that are pretty reasonable, within $20 a person all the way up. So be prepared. I kind of put this one off on Steven. But it is a great place to just kind of get off the ship and walk around. And there's a very convenient drugstore, maybe 5 minutes from the ship port. So if you forgot anything, toiletries, you want some goodies to take back on board, it's a great option to go to this little convenience store. There's a Walgreens or a CVS. So the cruise port is centrally located in Old San Juan, meaning you can walk straight into the historic district. Ships dock here, major cruise lines like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, and MSC. There's lots of port amenities, so you'll find taxis, tour operators, souvenir shops, free Wi-Fi at some nearby restaurants and cafes. And there's no entry requirements. No passport is needed for U.S. citizens arriving on a closed-loop cruise. Pro tip here, just remember to bring some good walking shoes. The area itself is very handicap accessible. There's sidewalks to walk, but bring comfortable shoes because there is a lot of incline. There are some stairs throughout Old San Juan to where flip-flops may just not be the greatest idea. Feel like you're in, notice that, New York or Italy or all the pigeons.
El otro entonces. Está bien.
Yeah, they're blue. Oh, it's a dead bird. Ugh. Oh, there's a rooster. So no matter which direction we turned, there was always a sight to see, whether it be vendors, food, different sights. So there's no right or wrong, just start walking. And just as we cross the street, we run into another great historical site, Plaza Colon. And I'm sure I'm butchering this up, so I apologize. Or it can also be called Columbus Square, which originally was known as Plaza Santiago, but in 1893 it was renamed in honor of Christopher Columbus, commemorating the 400th anniversary of his arrival in the Americas. The centerpiece of the plaza is this towering statue that's Columbus standing tall as a reminder of Puerto Rico's colonial history. One of the best things about the plaza is the beautiful surroundings. These colonial-style buildings with their vibrant facades and ornate balconies makes for a great photo backdrop. And just steps away from here, you'll find the Grand Teatro Tapia, one of the oldest theaters in Western Hemisphere. This plaza isn't just about history though. It's also a local favorite for relaxation and entertainment. You'll find artists selling their work, musicians filling the air with Caribbean rhythms, and plenty of cafes where you can enjoy a delicious cup of Puerto Rican coffee. Pro tip, try a cafe con leche from one of the local spots. Plaza Con is the perfect spot to start your Old San Juan adventure. So whether you're here for the history, the architecture, or just to soak up the local vibes, this plaza has something for everyone. And from here we see where we're going. It's just a short little walk from one of Old San Juan's biggest attractions, Castillo San Cristobal, the largest Spanish fort in the Americas. And see, I wasn't kidding about the big inclines. Quite a bit of a trek uphill, so keeping an open mind because going back to the ship is all going to be downhill. Find the view's amazing. So once we got up here, we just decided not to take the tour. We didn't get any pre-purchased tickets or anything like that. So we just decided to watch the ocean water, listen to the sounds of Puerto Rico, and just people watch. So we did the town tour. Now we're just headed back to the ship because it is pretty hot, even though it's only about 83 degrees here in Puerto Rico. The sun is hot. Yeah, definitely. Again, we've been here before, so it's not our first time. So we did our thing, and now we're gonna go back and relax on ship. We're both seasoned cruisers, and I don't know how Steven feels about it, but me, I just love being on the ship itself. I could not come off of the boat.
Unless there's a Magic Mike show on the island.
Oh yeah, then sign me up. And yes, I said boat, my apologies. The ship. Don't come after me, people. And back to home, MSC Seascape.
You're gonna get a ride with this guy? Go my way.
Two of our favorite ships, Equinox from Celebrity and MSC Seascape. So that's a wrap on your perfect cruise day in Old San Juan. So whether you're into history, shopping, or just soaking in the beautiful sights of Puerto Rico, there's plenty to do, just steps from the cruise port. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite San Juan experience. See you on the next adventure. Happy travels!